Hi everyone, I am Aksa Zafar and welcome back to MLTube, your go-to channel for AI and data science. I create content to help you understand machine learning and data science in the simplest way possible. So make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to stay updated and learn more about data science and AI. If you are a developer or data scientist who pushes code regularly, you know how painful code reviews can be. Waiting for feedback, chasing teammates for approvals, and finding out you missed a null check or inconsistent variable name. We have all been there. That's exactly where Claude Code comes in. In this video, I will show you how to set up GitHub CLI and Claude Code, how to integrate Claude Code directly with GitHub CLI, and how to automate your entire code review workflow using AI. By the end of this video, you will have your own AI-powered pull request reviewer running right inside your repo. So let's get started. So first, what exactly is Claude Code? Claude Code is Anthropic's developer-focused AI built especially for tasks like reviewing, refactoring, debugging, and explaining your code. Think of it like having a super smart teammate you can talk to right from your terminal. You can use it to generate or debug code, explain complex functions line by line, refactor entire files, or even review full pull requests automatically. It's fast, context aware, and integrates beautifully with GitHub CLI, which is exactly what we will set up next. So why bother connecting Claude Code with GitHub CLI? Simple. GitHub CLI already lets you handle everything from creating PRs to merging code without ever opening your browser. By connecting Claude Code to it, you give the AI the same access and permissions your CLI already has. That means Claude can fetch pull request diffs, analyze code changes, and even generate markdown style review reports automatically. So let's go ahead and get this integration set up step by step. First, install Claude Code globally. You will need Node.js version 18 or higher. Run this command, then check if it's installed correctly by typing claude dash dash version. If you see a version number, you are good to go. Next, let's install GitHub CLI. If you are on Mac OS, just run brew install gh. For Windows and Linux, check the download page. I will drop the link in the pinned comment. Once it's installed, run auth login. Select github.com, choose HTTPS, and then authenticate using your GitHub credentials. After login, you should see logged in as your username. Perfect. Now your CLI is linked with GitHub. Now let's connect Claude Code with your repository. For this demo, I will use a simple to-do app I have already pushed to GitHub. Let's cd into the folder. Start the Claude Code CLI by typing Claude. Next, I will run the init slash command. Claude will now scan and analyze the entire code base to generate a Claude MD file. Let's give it a moment to finish. Make sure to allow Claude to create and write to this file. This file acts as a reference document. It helps Claude understand your project's structure, files, and logic for future reviews. It's also a good idea to add Claude MD to version control. That way, your entire team can share the same code context across branches and pull requests. Install the GitHub app using install GitHub app / command. It will open a browser window. Select your repo, click install and authorize, and allow access to your repository. Now Claude will ask if you want to use a subscription or an API key. Since I already have a subscription, I will use that one. Authorize it, and that's it. Integration complete. You will notice Claude automatically suggests raising a pull request with YAML config files for the reviewer setup. You can edit those files later to customize review strictness, but for now, I will merge them as is. Let's test this in action. I will make a small change in the code, for example, moving the task list logic into a new component. We will fast forward this part. Now I will commit the change to a new branch, task list, and push those changes to GitHub. Next, I will raise the pull request. Once the PR is created, Claude automatically kicks in and starts the review workflow. After a few moments, you will see a detailed AI review added as a PR comment. It flags critical logic issues, code quality suggestions, and missing test cases. You can take action on the feedback, push an update, and Claude will automatically re-review your new commits. That's literally hands-free code review and it's incredibly accurate. And that's how you integrate Claude Code with GitHub CLI and automate your pull request reviews. This is not about replacing human reviewers, it's about saving time, catching bugs early, and keeping your code base clean before your teammates even open the PR. If you found this walkthrough helpful, hit like and subscribe.